What's up, gamers? PlayerX1994 here with the tutorial video, my very first tutorial video actually. Today I would just like to show you how you can speed up your computer and make it run as fast as you can possibly get it so that you can play your games as best as possible or do whatever you do on it as best as possible. So there are two ways I can do it. There are two ways to do this. One way you can optimize your computer using this program right here, TuneUp Utilities 2013. Um, I'll go ahead and start that up for y'all. What this does is it cleans your computer. So for example, right here you can see here's your optimization status. Right here, one problem that may be affecting system health, and I have ignored that problem because it takes literally all night long plus some to check my drive for errors, and I don't have that kind of time to wait for it. um, so anyway, I'll go ahead and open up the defragmentation feature here. There we go. Oh goodness. Looks like I have some cleaning up to do myself, don't I? Um, so yeah, there's that. And then of course there's all these. You can clean up Windows and programs, clean up browser, remove broken shortcuts, disable Windows functions. Let's open this for a second. The hibernation file is 4 gigs, 4.4 gigabytes, which is not all that bad. I'll leave it up because, I mean, you never know. One day I might even need to reinstall it. Or one day I might need to use it. But however, if you do disable your hibernation file, it won't show up right here. See? So you can clean up Windows and programs right here. Let's open this to see what it has. Log files and activity traces. Let's open this up, and oh dear. I have no idea what that means, but I just know you can, yeah, it's good to clean up your computer. About the browser, I'm downloading a file, actually I'm downloading a mod for uh, this game right here, so I can't close Firefox to do this, but as you can see I have a whole lot of cookies. That's because I use Firefox a lot. And I use it for one reason, all of the add-ons that I can have on it, and that's a whole nother video in and of itself, and I'll do that later. But right now we're focusing on your computer. So you can customize Windows, which I had never really got into this feature. Yeah, see, everything, you can basically customize everything here. So that's basically it as far as TuneUp Utilities 2013. I would like to note that this is a paid software, but it does have a free trial. So let's go through the settings real quick. But it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. I think it costs like $50. I'm not sure if it carries over every year. I'm pretty sure it does. I certainly hope it does, because it would be awful having to pay for it every single year. That'd be awful. But I don't really know how it works. I've got the trial. So anyway, going through the settings right here, show desktop icon of TuneUp Utilities. Yes, yes, yes. Notification area always. All these settings, of course. I have disabled automatic updates because I just prefer the to do it manually. See right here, I can check for updates now because a lot of times I'll be playing something like okay, that was random. Don't show me this message again. I don't care. So anyway, a lot of times I'll be doing something like maybe I'll be playing on a Minecraft server that has upwards of 300 plus people on it every single day at one point in time. Um, and I can't do the update at that point in time. I just can't. Oh yeah, let's go through economy mode real quick. Economy mode, basically what this is it keeps your computer from running as fast as it possibly can when it's unplugged, um, to save power. And I'm saying that because I'm on a laptop, and when I need to take my laptop somewhere, it always, when I unplug it, it always switches to economy mode. In fact, I'll show you. Yep, see, there it goes. And now I'm on economy mode. It's still recording, but it won't be running quite as fast because I'm on economy mode. So if I plug it back in, it goes to standard mode right there. And it's about to do that in just a second. I guess I'll have to wait for it to do that so I can do something. There we go. Okay, let's switch back to turbo. Turbo. Okay. So that was TuneUp Utilities 2013. It is a really cool software for keeping your computer optimized and running at its as fast as it possibly can. Because needless to say, if you use your computer at all or a lot, your files can get pretty hectic, to say the least. So I use to clean up your computer a lot, and defragment hard disk is the one I usually do. Although you can optimize system startup and shutdown. I'll do that later. Um, but right now I need to change this back to where it was. Okay, so that's still blue. um, okay. Alright, alright. That's better. Oh yeah, that's much better. Anyway, so the second that was one way you can optimize your computer, and I really recommend you at least try this program because it will definitely help your computer big time. So the second way you can speed up your computer is by adding virtual RAM. And if you don't know how to do this, of course I'm about to show you. But basically what that does is you have physical RAM. Like for example, I can click on computer here and it says that I have 6 gigabytes of memory, and that's right because this laptop came with 6 gigabytes of RAM. DDR3 RAM to be exact, but that's alright. That's another subject. Boy, I'm getting off track today, aren't I? um, so yeah, you have this physical RAM, and then your computer uses virtual RAM as well on top of the physical RAM. And so increasing the virtual RAM size can definitely help your computer perform its best. So here's how you do it. You want to click on Start menu, right click on Computer, click on Properties, click Advanced System Settings, Advanced tab, and under Performance, click Settings, Advanced tab again, and right here under Virtual Memory, click Change. And here is where you'll see where you can change your virtual RAM. When you first open this dialog box, this will be checked. This automatically manage page file size for all drives. It will be checked, but you'll just need to uncheck it and click custom size so that you can change it to whatever you please. I set mine to this number because this is the exact number in megabytes for 64 gigabytes. So there's that. I can afford to use 64 gigabytes because, as you can see, if I open up computer again, I have over 400 gigabytes of free space. So needless to say, I can afford to do something like that on my internal hard drive. Now I have an external hard drive that's I've just done overkill. As you can see, I had 200 to 300 gigabytes of virtual RAM there because it's a 2 terabyte hard drive. This and this, those are the same. They're just different. Those are run off the same hard drive. They're just different drive letters. But anyway, that's that. The number that like I said, that is 64 gigabytes. and the number for 32 gigabytes in megabytes, just in case you're curious if you don't have 64 gigabytes of space available, is 32768. That's 32768. So yeah, that's that. Once you're through with that, click set and OK, and you'll need to restart your computer, and it'll tell you to restart your computer. So once you've restarted your computer, you'll definitely notice a difference. Even in the restarting, you'll notice a difference, believe me. Because after I set my external hard drive to 200 gigabytes of virtual RAM, it was incredibly fast when it was loading up. So that was that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If not, please comment and tell me what I can do to make the next tutorial video better. So that was that, and this is PlayerX1994 here, signing out.